Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I'll show you how to manage environmental zones. In the beginning, go to Settings and now enter Navigation. Go to Environmental Zones and Setup. Now select Fuel Type, First Registration, Emission Standards, Emission Badges, and here is your environmental zone profile. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.